That is one way to describe Sunday. Nearly half a foot of snow fell in parts of Kansas City. Now the attention is on the roads.
It is a process. This is a big storm for Kansas City, and we've had crews out there nonstop to tackle it.
Chris Hernandez with the city says they have more than 180 crews out on the roads. The priority is the main streets and then residential areas. Because of the constant snowfall, some roads were clear and then covered again by snow.
We're very happy to see tonight that the snow is stopping its snowfall. The winds continuing to blow. That's just blowing things right back onto the street. So we need some of the wind to die down, and our crews will be out overnight to try to keep clearing the main roads so that those folks who do have to go somewhere in the morning can at least get to the main route.
I met Garrett Parker at the Price Chopper in Brookside. He was just getting back in town from Arkansas. He says the road conditions were scary.
I came in from Arkansas on the highway, and it was crazy. We were probably going like 45 on 71, so it was pretty bad out there.
Aside from the city crews, Riot KC has plows out as well to clear bus routes. Service was suspended early Sunday evening. The message from crews to you: don't be on the road if you don't have to.
We're hoping that the forecast for the overnight temperatures to be in the upper teens, low 20s. We're hoping that's where it lands, because that will enable some of the salting we've done to still take effect, remain in effect overnight.
Now, some people will have to go out tomorrow for work and other events. Riot KC says the bus service will resume at 8 o'clock in the morning. Reporting live, Stephen Dial, 41 Action News.